Good morning, preppers. Yep. It's that day. Happy Wednesday. A day that I normally set aside to kind of do nothing. Sometimes I'll work out, sometimes I won't. Come here, dog. She's so crazy. Anyway, so two things. I'm going to very quickly address the fallout between the unapologetic prepper and the angry prepper. And so it's like ding ding. That's their fight, not mine. I can understand both of their perspectives, but I'm not really going to dig too deep into it. If you're following that, good for you. If you're not, and you're like, what the hell are you talking about, man? Good for you too. All right, second thing, there's a premiere tonight, 6 p.m. It's going to be on nuclear war. I got a lot of questions over the weekend. Hey, come here. God, she's so annoying. She can't just walk with me like a normal dog. She's got to do her own thing all the damn time. Are you coming? Are you coming? She's like, yeah, I'm coming. Are you coming? Yeah, you know I'm coming. And then I'm going to stop behind you 24 feet later. Okay, yeah, I got a lot of questions on that. And so, time to share a little knowledge. Maybe a little dose of reality. Maybe it is either as bad or as good as you think it's going to be. In the end, it's just not. It's not a good thing. So, that video is going to come out at 6 p.m. I'll be sitting behind the keyboard waiting to say, hey, how you doing, and hello, and I'll be posting those links later on today. I pushed some out yesterday, but for the most part, I normally like to do that the day of. If you're not on the Wise app, or I'm sorry, if you're not on the Patreon, you need to get your ass over there because we're kicking out some serious content that's not hitting YouTube just yet. I've already decided I'm probably not going to dump that kind of content onto YouTube for, I don't know, months. Because I mean, it's for people who want more. It's that easy. They're like, oh, you're cashing in. I'm not cashing in, man. It's just side hustle. I'm freaking retired. I'm not cashing in on nothing. Let's see. My preps for today. I think I'm going to go through some of my tools because I know my tool bag is still lacking. I bought a couple the other day. But I haven't got them into the bag, and I haven't really been taking stock of what I have. And I think I need to do that. I also got this idea for a fast fire tool. And if I make that out, I'll probably just push that out to you guys because it's kind of cool. All right, guys. Until the next time, or until 6 p.m. tonight, stay safe and have a great Wednesday. Here it comes. Woohoo!